In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open FTMO demo account. This is FTMO's free trial, a risk-free way to practice on live market data using virtual funds. It's designed to feel like the FTMO challenge without real money on the line, and it typically runs for 14 days. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be set up, logged in, and ready to trade on your chosen platform. First, head to FTMO's official website and find the free trial page. Look for the option labeled Start FTMO Free Trial. This is the entry point to creating your demo environment, so make sure you're on the legitimate site before proceeding. Next, create your account. Click Start Free Trial and fill in the required fields, including your email and a secure password. You'll receive a verification message. Open it and confirm your email to activate your access. If you don't see the message right away, check your spam or promotions folder. Use an email you check often, since important updates and your login details will arrive there. Once you're verified and logged in to your FTMO dashboard, set up your demo account. Click Free Trial inside the dashboard, then choose your preferred trading platform, such as MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, or CTrader. You'll also pick the account type and settings that suit your style. Review your choices and confirm the setup to generate your trial account. After that, FTMO will send your trading credentials. You'll receive a login ID, a password, and the correct server name for your platform. These details are also visible inside your dashboard if you ever need to reference them again. Keep them organized and copy them carefully. Using the exact server is essential for a successful login. Now you can start trading. Download and install your chosen platform, open it, and select the option to log in to an existing account. Enter the login ID, password, and server exactly as provided. Once connected, you're operating with demo funds on real market data. Set up your charts, test your strategies, and practice solid risk management as if this were the real challenge. A few important notes before you begin. You can only have one free trial active at a time, but you can start a new one once it ends. The free trial does not grant a funded account. It's purely for practice and preparation. Treat it as a focused training period to refine your execution and discipline. That's it. Your FTMO demo is ready. Follow these steps, stay organized, and make the most of your 14-day window. Happy trading!